Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another tutorial. This time I'll be showing you how to download Minecraft Forge 1.15.2 version for Mac. Before I get into this tutorial, however, I want to first tell you that if you're new to my channel and find my videos useful, then please subscribe because it really helps. At the moment, my goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers. Please help me grow out my channel by subscribing. Thank you. If you want me to show you how to download specific mods for this version of Forge, then leave a comment down below. If some mods are not yet available for this version, then they will definitely be available for the older 1.12 version of Forge. If you want a detailed tutorial on how to download Forge 1.12 for Mac, then go ahead and click on the first link in the description box below. But for now, let's get into this tutorial on how to download Forge 1.15.2 for Mac. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is click on the second link in the description, which will lead you to the Forge website, which is this one. And we're interested in the latest version, which is 1.15.2. What you want to do is you will see that there are two options, either download latest or download recommended. Although it says recommended, the latest version is also safe, so I do recommend you download the latest version. What you want to do is click on installer, and it will lead you to this ad, which you can skip in a few seconds. And then it should start downloading right away. It does give you a warning, but again, Forge is safe. So what you want to do is to drag it to your desktop, and then it won't let you open it, however. So what you want to do is to go to System Preferences, then to Security and Privacy, and then Open Anyway, and then Open. And then it should start and open. And it should start installing once you want to install client. And then it should start downloading. Okay, at some point it will say that it has successfully installed, and that means that it has finished downloading. So you want to click OK, and now you can throw these in the trash. And then what you want to do is open up your Minecraft, and then you want to go to Installations, and then click on New. And let's say you can name it Forge 1.15.2. And then you want to look for 1.15.2 Forge, which for me it's right at the top. You might also want to scroll and look for it here. As you can see, I have a lot of versions of Forge because I've downloaded it a lot of times. But you want to click on the one that we're interested in right now, which is 1.15.2 Forge. So you have selected that one, and then you click Create. And here you go, here you have it. And then if you want to play this version, you click here and you look for it again. And as you can see, it's this one we have just created. And then you can just click play. It might take a little longer for it to load because now you have added Forge, but just bear with it and give it some time. Okay, so now it has loaded, and it says here that Forge has been installed. And if you want to make sure, you can click on mods. Now, a mods button should have appeared, which you can click and you can check and see that you have successfully installed Forge. Now you can install any mod you like for this Forge. Just make sure that it's in the same version as the Forge you have downloaded. So this was it, guys. If you found this video in any way useful, then please leave a like and subscribe, because as I said before, it really helps and makes a difference. If you got stuck at any step in this video, then go ahead and leave a like and I'll try to help you out as best as I can. Also, as I previously mentioned, if you want me to show you how to download any mod for this version or for an older version of Forge like 1.12, then also leave a comment below and I'll add it to my list and make a video of it as soon as I can. If you want to check out any of my other Minecraft tutorials, then I'll link some down below, or you can check them out on my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in future videos. Bye!